Hello everyone, Muriel here. I wanted to come and show you guys my spring totes that I've been working on for Easter, kind of, sort of. I mean, it's Easter in 2 more weeks and spring is here, just about. So I created these totes and they are really cute. I followed a tutorial over on a subscriber named So Crafty 100, I think. I will put a link down below so that you guys can make these. And I remember them probably 6 years ago when she started making these totes. It was in the fall, like November, October, and we all were making them, and it was such a great idea because they're made from envelopes. Specifically, these envelopes here. These are the envelopes that accompany the corrugated cards from Recollections, and it's just a square envelope, but it is very sturdy craft. And she shows you how to take this envelope and create these totes. So what I did was I made some for the spring, and I'm going to share them with some friends. So I'll show you them in a second. Let me show you the paper pad I use is the Spring Paper Kit by Alicia Whitcomb. I picked this up at Tuesday Morning. It is a Echo Park paper pad, paper collection. Has butterflies, totally spring. But I just so happen to have a sheet or two left over from my previous collection of Easter paper that I have here, what's left. So I created one that has the Easter theme, and then the rest are the spring theme. So the paper pad, I used several ribbons. So here they go here, some spring. Some of these were from from Dollar Tree, and the rest are from American Craft, probably Joann's. I didn't use this one. I did use some of this trim. It was probably a Michael's brand because it looks like the sticker there, and it just looks like this. I can get to it. Very, very pretty. And then there was another one that let me see. No, I did not use that. Okay. So I made some rosettes. I use 2 of them, and then here are the rest. So if I make a card, I will incorporate these into the card. And I'm using the Spring Ephemera Pack by Alicia Whitcomb. Looks like this. Again, another Tuesday Morning find. These are puffy spring bunny stickers. So I used 3 more of these. The flowers that I used, let's see, how do I say this? I used some of these, I think they're Geisel or Geisophilia flowers on a stem. Right? They came in this pack. They're from Wild Orchid Craft. But this actual flower that's in this bag is from this pack here. And it looks like I bought those maybe at a scrapbook fair. So they're really cute. They're really, you'll see them on the project, but they're pink and they have a yellow center and they're kind of wild looking. So I used some of those. I pulled out some of my felt leaves that I most recently cut. All these leaves, so I used a few of those. I was going to use some of the felt flowers, but they were a little too big, I thought, for these totes. And of course, each tote has a bottle brush carrot inside, and these are 3 that I made, and I've already shown they're with different color stains. The ones that are in these totes are orange to resemble a carrot, and 1 pink one. So here is my first tote, and this one is the one you can say is for Easter. So this is Ephemera Pack goodies, right? Just a frame, and then a little die cut that says Happy Easter. I took a punch and cut out some of these butterflies with some of the scrap paper. There is one of the rosettes with the bunny on top, and you can see what I did with these flowers. Just kind of glued them here and then use one of the leaves on the side. All of that's mounted on top of a white doily. And then I did put a handle on them. Again, it's just the paper. I just used a scallop punched and stapled it. And then on the side is where I put the white trim, and then this green trim on the bottom. And then you can kind of see I covered the bottom. What I did was used a Spellbinder rectangle stitch die, one that was the same size as the bottom, and cut that out. And then the handle, and then the back has the trim as well. So on the inside I have the bottle brush carrot, and some chocolate at the bottom, and a ring pop, and then some of this really good Easter shred that I picked up at Tuesday morning. So that's my Easter one, and then my other totes are more spring related. Okay, so that same thing, one of the rosettes, and I used one of the ephemera pieces here. I put the little bunny there. These are 3 of these banners that was in the pack. And then lots of flowers, and that lily got in there somehow, I don't know, but I just used it just to kind of get rid of it. And the handle, and you know, this is double-sided paper, so the inside of the handle looks like this part of the tote. And then the ribbon. So really, really fun. Again, just a cute little tote to showcase the bottle brush carrot, which would be great for a spring home decor piece. And then some chocolates and a ring pop in there. And I may find some more candy, but for the most part that's what I bought the other day, so I don't want to buy too much, but I know the people I'm giving these to like chocolate. And here is the third one. There is a tag here with a sticker that says it's a beautiful day today. Here is a mint green cabochon rose that I had in my stash, and then I had a sticker butterfly, and then I just popped one of the ones I punched out on top, and another rosette with the bunny, and then all the flowers. And in here I used 2 of the pink leaves, and then the same trim on the side. So just a fun project. I hope you guys try it. It was really, really easy to do. Again, if you still have any of those square envelopes from your corrugated card box, this is the envelope that she used. So hopefully you'll be able to find another envelope. I'm sure any envelope will do, and create these totes. Again, she didn't put the handle on it. That was just my idea because I just wanted them to be able to be picked up like that. So I'll put it down below, and I hope you guys try it. So thank you guys for watching. Talk to you at my next video. Bye now.